Okay, so what's going on with this van build? Well, I thought I'd bring you up to date a little bit. Haven't filmed or videoed much lately because I've just been fine-tuning some things with the subfloor. Been working on routing, wiring, and so forth. But today, my objective is to do all the fine-tuning around the trim on the subfloor. There are 3 pieces of subfloor, so I want every piece of subfloor to be cut perfectly and trimmed perfectly for the final glue down. And as I get each piece out and do that, I'm going to lay the Havelock wool insulation in the spaces between the aluminum joist. So this project pretty much focused on subfloor. So next step is to bring the Havelock wool over and start placing it between these channels. Since this back panel fits the best, I may just work my way from the rear of the van toward the front. Now before I get started putting it down, I did want to show you this wool. It comes in bats, which are roughly maybe an inch to 2 inches thick, and you can add as many as you want. And then you can take scissors and cut it to shape. So that's the wool. And another sticker for my little water bottle collection. Okay, so wow, I still have quite a few bats left. That was a little tedious. Got all those dollops of adhesive to navigate around and then to maneuver your subfloor into the right position, which I was able to eventually do. But the wool was keeping, in places, keeping the contact between the wood and the metal joist. So I had to insert screws to pull it down, and then I got some weights to help hold it down. Got my workout, went into the basement up to get these, and these screws that I screwed into the joist I will remove later and fill in there. I just got the second section glued down, screwed on the ends, made it as flush as possible. So this one's glued in and pretty much set. That one will be drying for a while, and I may save that front one until tomorrow. But subfloor is almost permanently attached. Just finishing touches here. I just changed my mind. I think I'm going to go ahead and lay that front one down and see if I can get it to sit right. I have a couple of screws left, and I got all these weights, so I should be able to get it glued into place. I just want to go ahead and do it while I still have this out. I think I can. This tube, I'm not sure how much left in it. Yeah, there's a good half a tube. That should be enough to finish up that front section, which is a smaller section. So I'm going to put it on fast forward and let you watch me put that front section. Around and take a look at from the side. Yeah, so subfloor is in. I got a little bit of trimming to do right here. Once it's dry, I'll take those screws out, take all this tape up and remeasure it. Of course the weights are there. I'll leave them on overnight to hold in place. But I've got a pretty decent seam, and again this is going to be covered with vinyl plank flooring, so this is just a subfloor.